Now let's discuss about organizational charts with Excel. And it's really cool because what you can see over here is we're able to create one as well inside Excel thanks to Smart Art. Okay, so organizational charts are very important in any business, and documenting them is very easy to do in Excel. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to be creating something similar to this one, and I'll be showing you different options on what we can do inside the org chart. Okay, so what I'll do is let me just delete this so that we can start from scratch. Let's go to Insert, and then let's look for the Smart Art. Okay, let's go to Illustrations and then Smart Art over here. Okay, and then let's look for the hierarchy, and then there's an organizational chart over here that we can use to add a new one. Okay, so let's type in CEO here, and then let's just fill in some of the values. We have assistant. Okay, and then let's go for, let's say, VP sales, and then we have VP finance, and then VP marketing. Okay, cool. And then we're going to be going over different options over here. So for example, let's say for VP sales, we want to add an assistant similar to this one, like an assistant to the CEO. You could just go to Smart Art Tools, Design tab, go to Add Shape, and then there is an Add Assistant option in here. So if we click that, we now have a new assistant over here, right? And then we can type assistant again over here. Right? It's pretty cool. Okay, and now let's try to add a manager. So let's select VP sales again. Let's go back to Add Shape, right? And then we can select Add Shape below so that we have a manager, right, over here. So let me just type in here, GR North region. Okay, let me just maximize this a bit more so that we can look better at the org chart. Okay, now we have this manager here. Let's add another one. Let's add another manager. So let's go again to Add Shape, right? Add Shape below, and then let's just type in MGR, and then let's say we have another South region. Cool, looking good, right? And then another option that we can do is we can flip our chart, right, from left to right, having a mirror image. So if we select the chart, just go to Design, you can see here there's the right to left. If we click this, it's going to flip the entire chart over here, right? So if we click again, right, we have this over here. Cool. And then another option that we could do is also add another horizontal shape. So for example, if we have VP marketing over here, we want to add another VP over here. So we can also use Add Shape, and then we can select Add Shape after. Okay, or I could also go for Add Shape before. Okay, so let me just undo that. We can also try Add Shape before, right? And then we have another shape added over here. So let's just type in, for example, just go for VP, right? Legal over here. Okay, now we can add more shapes under VP Finance. So let's just go for Add Shape below, right? Let's add a new manager. Let's say accounting. Cool. And then let's select VP Finance again, Add Shape below. Let's add another, right? For, let's say, manager for tax. Now, there's another option in the org chart wherein we can use promote, right? So the manager of tax. So if we select promote, it's going to go up one level and will be on the same levels over here, right? So it's a really handy way to make your changes in your org chart. Okay, so since we now promoted this, let's just change the manager to VP tax. Okay, now if we want to move a shape, we can select the shape and then select move up or down. So let's select the North region manager over here. Let's go move down. Okay, so it's just going to go down. If we move up, right, it's going to go up. So really easy in making changes as well. And then now we go to Smart Art Tools. Let's have a look at the design. Then you can just change the styles as well. If you want it to be 3D, right, just to be fancy, and you can also select that over here, right? And then you can also change colors. So if you want it to be more colorful, and just go to change colors and just pick any one of the colors over here, the patterns, right? and you can quickly use that as your org chart.